Okay, good morning, the students of class 4. It's during this class and it's lockdown period and you are at home. Now, today we will learn prefix and suffix. Do you know what is prefix and suffix? A new topic for you, prefix and suffix. Okay, if I write a word important, important, a word for you, important, if I write add unimportant, okay, another word kind, if I add ness, what is this? Remember, when a group of letters added to a root word, then it is called prefix. Like important, unimportant, important, it is the root word, and when a group of letters added before a root word, then it is called prefix, and it make a new word. So likewise suffix, the same rules, but when a group of letters added after a word, then it is called suffix. So kind, root word, and it is suffix and prefix. In your book, there are many examples. Like another word for you, very interesting, prefix and suffix, very interesting. Now agree. Do you know what does the word agree mean? Agree. If I write disagree is the opposite word, and agree, if I add meant, so it is prefix and it is suffix. So we add in, on, this, miss to make prefix, and suffix we add pin, ly, okay, ness, less, like play. If I add any suffix, play, er, so play, root word, and er, suffix. So here one difference you have to remember, prefix always comes before a root word and suffix always comes after a root word, okay. Like now another word for you, you have to add prefix and suffix. Use, if I add prefix then misuse, but use, if I add suffix, useful or useless, okay. So you have to learn prefix and suffix. Now page number 12, here are some wrong prefix, you have to correct it. Like a sentence for you, Rima is royal and Miss Selfish. Remember, it's wrong, not Miss Selfish. So total word is wrong. Miss Selfish, not Miss Selfish. Unselfish. It is the right word, unselfish. So you have to memorize the prefix and suffix. Also, page number 13. Like I was very appointed, not appointed. and prefix disappointed. Okay, is that clear? So learn the examples from your book. And now it's a lockdown period, so be careful, stay at home and don't make noise. Thank you.